Welcome to my channel. Today my topic is rate, and in the rate I take one question for you. My question is, a truck requires the 40 liters of the petrol to travel a distance of the 70 kilometers. First questions. The distance that the truck can travel on 100 liters of the petrol. You find the distance that the truck traveled on the 100 kilometers of the petrol, and you know about the values of the 40 liters of the petrol cover the 70 kilometer distance. So you write as how many liters? Liters and kilometers. Distance. How much liters? 40 liters of the petrols cover the distance of the 70 kilometers. And find out the truck can travel on 100 liters. 100 liters, how much distance is covered in 100 liters? You find out the distance covered by the truck in 100 kilometers. You see that if the liters 40, the 70 kilometers, the liters are increasing, kilometer must be increasing. This one direct proportions. This value is increasing, this value also increasing. The relation show that this relation is direct proportion, and the direct proportion you write as 40 multiply by x and the 70 multiply by hundreds, and x will be equal to 70 multiply by 100 dividing by 40. This cut to this one. Your answer is 175 kilometers. 175 kilometers the truck covered in 100-liter petrols. And this relation is direct proportion, and direct proportion you write as this multiplier to this one and this multiplier to this one. In the inverse proportions, you multiply this to this one and this to this one in straight line. This value multiply to this one and this value multiply to this one. My second question, the amount of the truck owner has to pay to travel the 2500 kilometers if a liter petrol cost is $2. The amount of the truck owner pay to travel the 2500 kilometers if the liter cost is $2. First you find out the distance and the second one liters. How much distance? 70 kilometers. How many liters use? 40 liters petrols. And this one, the 2500 kilometers distance, and how much petrol is used to cover the distance of 2500 kilometers. You see that this value is increasing. 70 kilometer distance covered in 40 liter petrol. 2500, the distance is increasing, the liter petrol must be increasing. So this relation is again direct proportion, and direct proportion you multiply to this one, 70 multiply by x and the 2500 multiply by 40, and the value of x 2500 multiply by 40 dividing by 70. And when you solve this one, 1428.57, you use the calculator to solve this, and that's the liter petrol used to cover the distance of 2500 kilometers. and how much amount is pay the truck owners for this petrol. Amount 1 per liter petrol cost $2, multiply by 2, and what's your answers? 28 2857.14 2857.14 dollar is the amount he pay for the truck using the petrol 1428.57 and covered the distance 2500 kilometer distance. And this relation is also direct proportions. This value is increasing, this value is also increasing, and this 40 liter petrol and this the distance is increasing, so liter petrol must be increasing. That's the end of my lecture.